Mga kaibigan, just to inform you, just to taking coffee first. Once again, good morning everybody. We are here today that we are not promoting something here, but we need to understand some of those mga kaibigan, which is in the good life, especially to all my organic followers around the world. From the people of Italy, from the people of Middle East countries, Russia, China, and the United States of America, all of you, thank you so much to all the OFW around the world. Thank you so much also mga kaibigan. That we are here today, not to sacrifice everything, but we need to move forward in our life. We need to sacrifice something to be fruitful in the near future in our life. We just not to prepared for the future because we need to use it now. It is the useful of the future also. So we need to generate more money in life. We need to understand business. We need to understand on how to develop and how to generate more income in life, mga kaibigan. That is the biggest things in life of the universe. That because this world is needed for the strong in character of the people, the strong in minded, mga kaibigan, in order for us to survive, in order for us to understand what is the life all about. It is not just for the life what we have use it now. We need to preserve what we are using right now in order for the younger generations will be the one to use that kinds of attitude, that kinds of the legacy, that's kinds of the style on how to survive, to moving part as a part of the life. Just to put in our heart and nurtured in our mind that the younger generations is the preservations of good life, not for the bad life, because we need to sacrifice in order to be civilized everything. We need to understand what is all about the life. We need to understand it's all about the human in nature. It's all about the things that we need on this universe. No, mga kaibigan. It is not just what we are living right now. It is just to the logistical movement of their life in order for us to discover or our ignorance. It is a chronological understanding of the law in nature, the law or the divine law, and also the law of the land. Because everything of us, mga kaibigan, it is very important for you to understand things that's the most very technical and the most crucial, the most endangered or the dangerous in life is those people not yet possess or possessing a good knowledge about law. Because everything on this universe, before God was created this earth, they were making a law first. Before the creations must begin. The law, the chronological, and the protocols of the law of the mindfulness of everybody should be understandable for everything. So that as of now, we need to use for this life, not for moving everything, but it is in position within in our heart. It is not just all about what you are asking God and what you are needed in life. It is just a preparations. It is just all about what you are right now, to be contented for everything. Because the whole creations, in the whole totality of humanity, it is not just all about what you need. It is just the whole totality of yours especially in the values, character, and attitudes that we possess in their life. It is the matter of the discipline. It is the matter of understanding. It is the matter of looking forward in the adventurous life in this universe. Because all the things we need to answer this universe, it's only for the open mindset of everybody. It is not just all about within your heart. It is just within the heart of acceptance that the Jesus Christ is the Lord, the one who saved the world, the one who guide us, the one who understand law. In order for us, the people in the highly human civilized, in the human civilizations, there is a law we need to follow. Especially that they are not a human in nature for their own selves, but we need to understand in the whole totality of the universe. So that's why we need to understand everything in this life. Because your life is not your owning on that. We are not the owner of life. Just borrowed it from the Almighty Father who art in heaven. So that everything we must do it for this universe. It is just all about law. It is just all dealings the numbers. It is just to understand how the life must begin, how the life must ending of this life of the universe. We could not to understand life if you cannot open your mind and just empty your glass. Because some people out there, they do not understand about law. They do not understand about the procedure. They do not understand about the transparency and the due process of law. It is not just a people. It is just not a people in the good things, in their attitude, in their mindset, in their discipline. Among all, it is not good for the moving part of this universe. Because this universe, it is all about the people of law. Because law, it is dealing all the procedure. It's dealing all the privilege. It's dealing all the things that we need in this universe. Because it is to understand. It just to accept for everything by our own. It is not just what you are in there in your mind. Just to understand first. Before we do it everything and asking God first. Because this law, there's a human in nature, in the stink of the humanity. It's just prevailing everything and preventing and avoiding any not good in life in that way. It just to understand about this. Like for example, that we are belongs to the tools of the government. As a tools of the government, mga kaibigan, is just to remember at and please be reminded us that we need to protect us people of this universe, especially for the Filipino people. Filipino people is needed of the good service and deliverance of those people to understand the law, especially for those who are in public employee. That they are done by appointed by law and appointed by everything. It is called those people serving in the government are elected by law and appointed by law. Those people are elected by law is done by elections, and also those people serving in the government appointed by law, it's all about the forces in the government to defending the flag and the territory of this universe.